Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Shoe Collection. Welcome back once again in the new and latest fashion trend video. Friends, I hope you are all fine, fit, happy, doing well and enjoying good condition of health. So first of all, kindly must subscribe this channel and kindly watch this video till the end. So today I gonna share with you some new and latest designs of heeled mules sandals. These kind of heeled mule sandals are 2022 new designs, and you can never seen these designs before any other video of this channel. So these kind of high heel sandals are for those ladies who wants to look pretty, charming, attractive, stunning, stylish, gorgeous, amazing and wonderful. So if you can wear these kind of high heel sandals, you look so pretty, and these sandals enhance your beauty and you look so charming. So friends, you can easily wear these kind of high sandals in your party function, wedding function, office work. So I hope you like the whole collection of new designs of heeled mule sandals that I showed you in this video. So kindly I again request you, please must subscribe this channel and press the bell icon button for the notification of my new and latest fashion trend video. And kindly must like and share this video. So if you can, must subscribe, like and share. So friends, thanks for watching this video till the end. So stay tuned and keep watching my YouTube channel videos regularly, and must subscribe and press the bell icon button for the notification of my new and latest fashion trend video. Thanks.